What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop. I'm actually in LATROBE this week, so I will host it for you. Out front, we've got two awesome cars. We have a C8 Corvette for our friend Martin. I love this guy. He brought us an Aston Martin before, and now this one's back for a full paint protection film wrap. Aaron, is this 10 mil? 10 mil and a ceramic coating. And we did not tint the windows on this one. Then we have a Ferrari. I don't think it's called an 812 Superfast when it's a convertible, but it's basically a convertible Superfast. I can't remember what they're called, but this car was previously wrapped on the front half by somebody, not us, and he came to us to finish the wrap. So we're gonna be doing the doors, the rear quarters, the roof, the rear bumper, all that fun stuff. So really cool car. I love what they did with the wheels on this. I think he told me they were powder coated aftermarket gold. So yeah, let's check out what's happening inside. All right, over here on the lift, we have another Ferrari. We actually have three Ferraris here. There's another one at our auxiliary shop in Latrobe, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to make it over there. This is an F430. My favorite part about it, it is a manual transmission. You guys know I love that. This one's here for paint protection film. We previously installed paint protection film on this exact car for our friend Anthony. Something happened to it. I think he hit a deer or something, so it had to get repaired. It's back. Body shop did a great job, and we're gonna make sure that it's protected again. And our friend Greg brought us his Hellcat Durango. I think this is his second Hellcat Durango. Really cool car. I think they call this color Battleship Gray or Sting Gray or something, depending on the vehicle that it's on. We did 10 mil paint protection on the front end, the rocker panels, and the rear impact area. Check out the interior of this one. It's pretty sweet. And a BMW X7. This one is straight from the dealership in Swickley. Thank you, Swickley. If you guys are looking for a new BMW, make sure you check them out. They're awesome to deal with down there. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap. So it's almost done. It should be finished up today, and then it's ready to go back to the customer. We got some cool cars here today. Behind John is a new Z06, the unobtainable Z06. We've had 4 of them, I think, through this shop, and 2 of them through our Miami shop at this point. This is, I think, Red Mist. We did a full wrap on this. Jimmy's finishing up the ceramic coating. It's also getting an interior ceramic coating, and we also tinted the windows. So basically everything we can do in a car, we did to this Z06. I really like what they did with these cars, and they sound absolutely ridiculous. And in the wash bay, we've got a hand wash on a Ford Ranger. And when he's done with that, Caleb will be working on this BMW. This one's getting just a paint correction. Strangely enough, there's another black BMW outside that I'll show you that we just finished a paint correction on. Over here is a pallet full of Expel. We gotta put this stuff away still. We actually saw some other competitors buying some material that was not the top shelf, top quality stuff. So make sure you're paying attention to the material that people are using when they tell you that's what they're using. All right, so we're outside and we've got a few cars here. One is this BMW I mentioned inside. This got a full paint correction and it's ready to go home. And beside it, we have a Porsche Cayman. This car was previously vinyl wrapped by us. Something happened on the back of the car. Looks like somebody brushed up against it with another car or something, and it damaged the vinyl. So we're gonna be rewrapping that rear bumper probably this afternoon. Down at the bottom of the lot, Mr. Barbish has his Tahoe in for us to clean up. Max's Civic Type R is sitting there waiting to get some stealth paint protection film on it. And that's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia. Luke obviously is not here today, and so Isaiah am here. I am here. You're welcome. Let's go see what we got going on. We got some really cool cars here behind us in storage with us. So what we have here is a beautiful GT2 RS, one of the best Porsches, in my personal opinion, that you can get. Just take a look at the redness of this paint and the carbon fiber accents that accompany it as well. Now, this Rolls Royce here might seem a little familiar because it is. We actually did a full wrap and coating, a bunch of tint to it over at our Latrobe location. And this vehicle here is accompanying the GT2 RS as just general storage here for the customer. All right, guys, we have a beautiful black Tesla Model S Plaid here. Getting a full wrap as well as coating. It is up next for finishing up the PPF side of everything, and then we'll be getting the coating going. We have a WRX that had a track package done to it yesterday when it comes to PPF, and it is up next for the coating process. Here we have tint getting done to this 2017 Accord, and this guy went with our top of the line Expel XR Plus heat rejection film. Not only is that tint going to look great, it's going to block and reject about 98% of the heat that you feel coming through your glass. So ultimately for him and whoever else rides with him, it's going to be cooler, much more comfortable. The AC is not going to work as hard. Just a very beneficial option overall. Next to this vehicle, we have a Camaro. We are stripping the rear windshield, and after we clean up everything, basically, we're going to retint the entire vehicle. As you can see here, tint's a little bit worse for wear. Customer said he got this from down south where the sun's very, very hot and tends to bake things. And so we're just taking our time getting that residual tint off so we can move forward. Austin here is working hard on a full stealth wrap on this black Tesla Model Y. After that is complete, it's going to be getting a ceramic coating as well. And we tinted the front windows as well with our XPEL XR line, and then for the front windshield, we tint it in our XPEL XR Plus line to block out as much heat as possible. Black CT5 Blackwing. Here for a full wrap, as well as coating, I believe, right? We are finishing up the full wrap here, and then as with a lot of the other vehicles, it's going to be up next for coating. All right, guys, we're outside now. Beautiful day, as I mentioned. We have a 22 Volkswagen Golf R. Beautiful vehicle that we actually did work to a year ago. It's here for its annual checkup, performed well, it's doing great, and ready to go home. Feeling like Superman out here, guys. The sun feels awesome, beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful things are here. But right now, we're going to be taking a look at a GLE. It came from a dealership, and the front partial paint protection film on the hood was looking a little bit worse for wear. We took that off and replaced it with a brand new piece. It's all complete, ready to go home. We have another vehicle from a dealership. It came here for a full XPEL XR Plus tint install in 70%. So even though it's going to be a clear option, it's still going to block as much heat as possible, being around 98%. She's complete as well, ready to go home. And then lastly, we have a Kia Stinger here that got the track package done, as well as the A-pillar and roof kit. So that's going to protect a lot of the high impact areas that vehicles nowadays get damaged from. Of course, the front end, and then the rocker areas where your wheels kick up rocks, those are going to be protected, as well as the outline of the windshield as well. That's it for us here in Gibsonia. Kevin, what do you got going down in Miami?
This is Nate from Blackout, Tinting, Miami. He's showing you what's going on in the shop this week. Here we have a 2023 Porsche 911. It's going to be getting a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and also XPEL XR Plus ceramic tint. Here we have a 2023 BMW iX. It's a fully electric vehicle with a self-healing grille. It's going to be getting the full XPEL Stealth paint protection film wrap. So you can see here, converting it from that gloss finish to a matte finish this week. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
Adios!